So I'm gonna make a quick pull.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already yo. So when you just getting out of the
I have a Toyota Sienna van here. This one got popped in the back. It crushed both of these end plates, which I have new ones of those to replace. This one's pushed a little bit. I have new caps for that, and then it pushed in the rear body panel right in this area. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get the end caps cut off, and I'm going to repair this. I'm probably going to have to grab this and pull this out a little bit. This is rolled in a little bit, and start working all this area out and get this one fixed up. So I'm going to make a quick pull on this plate before I cut it off, just because I want to pull out the mounting areas where it's sitting up against. So I'm going to put this plate on there and just make a quick pull on it, kind of roughly pull it out, then I'm going to cut it off. Make it a lot easier to straighten the mounting points out. Alright, I got both of those end caps all finished up. This will need a little bit of glaze work right in this area. But first I'm going to go ahead and do the metal work on this lift gate. It's it all in this area, so I'm going to go ahead and straighten out the metal on this. This I use to hold the gate in an open position. I flip it in the latch, and it'll hold it exactly where I want it. And it's adjustable if you want to open it up some. Pretty handy. I'm going to see if I can work some of this out with our PDR rods here. I'm not trying to make it perfect, I'm just trying to rough it out.